On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful sunflower earrings. I want to see what the colors I'm planning to use on my sunflower are going to look like on this material called grunge board. So I've already placed them in there and marked them so I could see what colors they would be. Now I've got my grunge board cut to the size I need. I'm going to ink up into Memento black ink and stamp my sunflower. And make sure you get it in good. And then lift it. You might need to wait just slightly for it to dry a little bit, but then I'm going to use dandelion and color all my sunflower. It is going to change colors as it dries. And here it is completely done. But I want to add some more depth. So I am now going to use saffron, and I'm going to start at the bottom of each petal and go up one side, all the way around. And here is it after it's dried. Now let's add some orange peel, a little bit more depth. Just mostly at the bottom to make it just a little richer in color. I like to add a little bit of more depth. So this is a cool gray that I'm just going to kind of outline some of the petals with so that they pop and look three-dimensional. There's my gray. Now I've decided I want a little bit richer color. So I'm actually going to go back over some of these petals and make them just a little bit darker where the black lines were stamped. And I am using a permanent marker to do that. I will go all the way around, and I'm going to color the center with a nice brown. This is sienna, raw sienna. We need to cut it out. Using Judikins detail scissors, it's just the right size to go in and cut each one of these petals. And here he is already cut out. He's ready to go. Now, I want my flower a little bit more finished. I'm going to flip him over and choose one of the colors I've already used. I think I'm going to use saffron and just color the whole thing. This way, if my earring flips, it shows that it's not the raw gray. And I'm even going to go right in here and do each one of these where the petals cut out. And we are done. I need a hole in my flower to be able to hang my earring. So I'm going to use an awl. I'm going to pick one of my petals and I'm just going to poke a good hole in it. And I like it kind of thick, so I made it fairly decent size there. Okay, I've got these wire earrings that I'm going to attach to my flower. And I'm going to take and open right here. Now we're going to put our wire earring on, and we're going to take 2 needle nose pliers to shut this. It's just easier that way. Now, I've decided my center needs a little fluff. I'm going to use Judikins Diamond Glaze, and I'm just going to fill up the center of my flower. Now, if you want a glassy look, do the whole flower. It'll be beautiful. But I'm just doing it in the center so it can hold my little brown espresso flakes. And I'm just going to shake them on there. And I'm going to take and dump my excess into my snappy tray, my tiny tray. And our earring is done.
For this and other projects, visit our website. And remember, when creativity knocks, open the door.